Hi guys! I'm Karin Love from English Tutor Hub and welcome to another translation video where I will teach you the Tagalog translation of the word conclusion. So, if you want to know what is conclusion in Tagalog, just stay tuned! And before we start, if you want more English to Tagalog and Tagalog to English translations, visit EnglishTutorHub.com and proudpinoy.ph. For sure, it will help you a lot. What is the meaning of conclusion? A conclusion is an opinion arrived through a process of reasoning. Additionally, according to Merriam-Webster, the necessary consequence of two or more propositions taken as premises. Let's talk about the synonyms of the word conclusion. So, we have consequence, deduction, determination, inference, induction, assumption, guess, and induction. After knowing and understanding the meaning of conclusion, let us now learn what is conclusion in Tagalog. The word conclusion can be directly translated as konklusyon. Ang konklusyon ay inilalahad ang mga mahalagang elemento ng patunay batay sa naging resulta ng isinasagawang pagtataya na pinangalawahan ng balidasyon. Dagdag pa rito, ang konklusyon ay parating nasa huli ng pag-aaral upang lalong maintindihan ng mga nagbabasa. At heto naman ang mga kasing kahulugan ng konklusyon. Paghatol, palagay, pagpapasya, paghihinuha, at wakas. I will give an example sentence using the word conclusion and of course, I will translate it in Tagalog, okay? My mom came to the conclusion that I would study abroad next year. In Tagalog, ang aking ina ay dumating sa konklusyon na ako ay mag-aaral sa ibang bansa sa susunod na taon. Ngayon, for sure, alam mo na kung ano ang conclusion sa Tagalog and there are a couple of words in the Filipino language that could translate into conclusion. However, the use of these words depends on the context of the sentence. Therefore, be mindful of what you write and what you say. So, if you're new to our channel, please do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more English and Tagalog translations video. Huwag pong kalimutan mag-comment kung may natutunan kayo sa ating video at pwede rin po kayong magtanong kung sakali. At maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po. God bless.